From VIP welcomes to the most incredible views, animal encounters, delicious food, complimentary spa treatments, new friends, and suites at some of the world's most luxurious hotels and resorts, I've learned how to travel like a true VIP and get the most value for my money. Today, I'll show you how to get upgrades, free breakfasts, early check-ins, late checkouts, hotel vouchers, spa access, and much more for free. Stick around to learn the secret that will change the way you travel. This video takes place in Stockholm, one of Europe's best preserved old towns and a prestigious city center, also home to the famous 19th century Grand Hotel, where I've only booked a standard room and nothing else. But I know that this weekend will turn into a VIP stay, and I'll show you every step of the way on how you can have a similar experience all around the world.
We upgraded your room from superior room to a deluxe room with a water view. Breakfast is included and spa as well. If you would like to visit.
What a stunning room. Apparently this one is slightly newer than some of the other ones in the hotel, so I am just speechless because what I saw online is obviously a few categories under what I got today. And first I'm gonna give you guys a hotel tour, and then I'm gonna explain how you can also get upgrades wherever you go around the world in over 4,000 different hotels. Built in 1874, the Grand Hotel displays a mix of modern luxury and grand Parisian influences from the 19th century. It was the first hotel of its kind in Stockholm and the first to have a female CEO. The size of the building feels like a winding maze at times, which is why I'm so grateful to have received so many perks and benefits. I know I'll be spending most of my day here in Stockholm just exploring this incredible building. So I visited the Royal Palace this morning, which you can actually see from the window right here. And I was just told by my amazing hotel tour guide that this hotel is bigger than the Royal Palace. And if I look up at all of these chandeliers and all of these beautiful artworks and decorations surrounding me, I almost feel as if I'm in the Royal Palace. This is one of the conference rooms that they have here, one of the 50 conference rooms, and if all of them are as beautiful as this one, I'm gonna have to extend my stay. I am now about to enter a very special conference room because this is the one where the first Nobel dinner took place in 1901. What? This is absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh, I have to show you guys. Look, this is inside a hotel. How unbelievable is that? It's almost as if you're traveling back in time over 100 years ago. And next year, this hotel is actually celebrating their 150th anniversary, their 150th birthday. So if you do want to come here, I highly recommend coming next year. I'm sure they're going to do something super special. Look at this. There's even chandeliers in the lifts here. I'm on my way to the spa. As day turned into night, I was invited for complimentary drinks and dinner at the hotel's famous bar and restaurant. The quality was unbelievable, and I highly recommend you stick around until the end of the video to learn my secret for this VIP treatment whilst only booking a standard room. Good morning! It's time for breakfast! I absolutely love these complimentary breakfasts at these amazing hotels because they give you a bit of everything. I've got traditional pastries, I've got my granola and fruit bowl, I've got some cheese and ham, tea, juice, berries, eggs. Let's just say that I'm not going hungry today. I'm gonna finish this in about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and we're gonna sit down and I'm gonna properly explain to you guys how you too can get complimentary breakfasts, upgrades, perks, benefits, and everything else that you've seen in today's video. Well, it's it's taken me a while to share this, only because I don't really want everyone else to know about it, but at the same time I have always said that I want my videos to be informative, and I basically want to give you all the knowledge that I've gained through my years of travel. So here it is. For the past few years, I have used a closed membership booking platform to book all my hotels all around the world, and that platform is called Little Emperors. They have over 4,000 luxury hotels worldwide, and they always give the best possible rate. They give you upgrades, they give you perks, they give you benefits, they give you a hotel credit, free breakfast, early check-in, late checkout, and so much more depending on the hotel that you select. This app has honestly been a godsend, not only because of what they offer, but also because of the customer service behind it, where you're never stuck talking to a robot, and more importantly, you always get a reply from an actual human, no matter what day of the week or what time of the year you text. And there have been so many times where I've had to make last-minute changes, and their customer service have honestly just saved the day. So my personal experience with Little Emperors has only been positive, and I've booked about 30 times with them by now, I'd like to say. So I'm going to show you some videos right now of hotels that I've booked with Little Emperors where I've had incredible perks, benefits, upgrades, and so on and so forth. Some of them you've obviously seen in this video already, but others are even bigger depending on the hotel. Now, to access all of these features, Little Emperors normally charges an annual membership fee that ranges anywhere from £250 to about £1,500. But since I've used the app so much, they've actually given me a 3-month free code to hand out to whomever I want. Since I really want to thank you guys for supporting my journey, for supporting all my travel videos, for watching all the content I've created in the past 2 years, I wanted to give you the code, and I'm putting it in the description box below. And basically all you have to do is select the travel tier on Little Emperors, enter my code, and you'll get 3 months completely free with the app. And what that means is you can book any of their 4,000 luxury hotels worldwide at a preferential rate, get all the upgrades, perks, benefits, and not pay a single cent for membership in the first 3 months. I really think that you're going to enjoy it as much as I have. I have not used any other app to book in the past 3, 4, maybe even 5 years now. So I would genuinely recommend this platform. Be quick, because there are only a limited amount of 3-month free vouchers available. So head down to the description below and use them as soon as you can. I am so grateful that you guys stuck around to watch this video. I think it'll really change the way you travel. And if you want to see another hotel tour, why not click this one? Bathroom. Just a casual bathroom. Nothing to see here. Nope. Just a average, run-of-the-mill bathroom in your 19th century hotel. Nah, it's alright, I guess.